First of all, congratulations to everyone. This release looks to be very exciting, historic, as you said. To Ms. Sheena, how does the partnership expand your goal now? Ano mga plano? Paano nito binago o mas pinalaki ang plano?
It's, nakita ko lang kasi na masyadong maraming competitors sa business. Of course, it's very normal. So, doon nag-start yung vision na like, we don't have to be. Kasi kaya natin magtulungan at mas mapalaki ang ating each company. That's why this is the very first time na nag-acquire ng other jewelry din, the same industry. So, it's a very healthy competition.
Ano po ang nakita niyo sa Sephira as a brand na sila ang naging partner niyo?
Actually, si Miss Rona, ako kasi as a seller, ikaw as a seller, you are not, hindi mo talaga siya ma-feel or hindi mo makikita yung hirap ng seller kapag hindi mo talaga siya naranasan. So when I saw, nung nakilala ko talaga si Rona, nung nagla-live selling siya and so on, doon ko nakita na, OMG, grabe siya. It's really like, katulad nga nasabi ng husband ko kanina na siya ang pinakamagaling na seller. It is, really, she is. Yes, ako kasi sa dami ng nakilala kong seller, it's really not sobrang dali talaga siya. Pero siya, sobrang dali para sa kanya ang lahat. Sobrang na-amaze ako sa personality niya, which is, meron kaming magkapareho na kahit, kasi ako, when I started live selling, hindi naman siya like, meron ka na kaagad client. Pero siya, kahit meron or wala, she's really there. Talagang andyan siya, kakausapin niya talaga yung mga audience niya na andun yung energy niya. And doon ko talaga nakita nung nag-start ako na kung ano yung energy niya from the start, ganun ko siya nakikita ko yung sarili ko before. So kaya sobrang nagustuhan ko and she's really sobrang talaga genuine. Sobrang totoo niya talaga. And of course, bukod kay Rona, bukod sa seller, sobrang, as you can see, diba? Kakaiba sila. The jewelry, meron silang crown. Meron silang mga logo na crown. Pero sa Sephira, they have their own unique, very unique na mga logo and the brand. So, nakita ko talaga na kapag andun yung partnership with the Amara, mas magaguide ko talaga na mas mapalaki si Sephira. And sobrang thankful ako na nangyari itong araw na to.
Thank you. Muling tanong ko po kay Miss Rona. Coming from Mr. Ian, na kayo pinakamagaling na seller na nakita niya. And even from the stage kanina when you were giving your keynote, sabi ko, grabe yung enthusiasm niya, yung passion niya, kahit sa malayo ramdam mo. And alam ko you've been doing this for a long time. How do you keep that fire burning all these times?
Actually, for me, to be honest, live selling, I've only been doing it for almost 3 months.
Oh, so...
Yes.
Okay.
And I think if you're a girl, I don't know, as a business person myself, I know the struggles of a business. Hindi naman talaga unang, let's say, nag-start ka ng negosyo, unang start mo pa lang, meron na kagad benta yan, meron na kagad income yan. So I know the struggles when starting a business. So I treat the online